Leading the way, our class will guide us today on Agro-Allied Industries. Agro-Allied Industries depend on agriculture for raw materials, producing essential finished products for human and animal consumption. Examples of agro-allied industries and raw materials used: oil mill, oil seeds; soap industries, oil seeds; cigarette, tobacco leaves; textile or ginnery, cotton; breweries, cereals. There is a positive and wide range of relationships between agriculture and industries, including market provision. Agriculture provides a market for industrial products like farm machinery, chemicals, and fertilizer. Food supply. Agriculture also provides food for industrial workers. Raw material source. Agriculture supplies raw materials such as cocoa, cotton, palm produce, and groundnut for industries. Labor competition. Agriculture and industry compete for labor. Essential goods. Industries offer desirable goods that farmers want to buy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.